Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather and today we got the Nothing Phone 3a smartphone with us. So we are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device inside, its design, features, build quality, hardware specs and all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box. Here we got a huge image of the camera module and the Glyph LED lights along with some of the screws that you will find on the back of the device. We got nothing branding, the name of the smartphone. Here on the back we got the information that it comes with 12 GB RAM, 256 GB storage and the color variant we got is white. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here we got this box that's once again showing the camera module of the smartphone we got inside, and this textured box is looking quite nice and premium as well. So here is our Nothing Phone 3a. A USB Type-C to Type-C cable, a quick start guide, user manual, and here we got a SIM cartridge ejector pin. So these are all of the stuff we got inside the retail box of Nothing Phone 3a, the smartphone, USB Type-C to Type-C cable, the user manual and this SIM cartridge ejector pin. So here is our Nothing Phone 3a in white color, and as you can see how beautiful and eye-catching is its back panel here. So let's switch on the device. After that we will go through the setup process and then we will have a detailed look on our Nothing Phone 3a we got here. So the setup is done and we are good to go with our Nothing Phone 3a. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. So on the front side we got a huge 6.77-inch display with 88% screen to body ratio. So we got a bit of bezels all around the display. They are quite symmetrical in terms of thickness, but still a bit slightly thicker compared to some of the other smartphones in this price segment. At the top center of the display, you will find the front-facing camera. Right above it, there is a tiny slit where you will find the earpiece that also works as the speaker grill, that also works as the secondary speaker. At the top, you got the microphone. At the bottom, you got the speaker grill, USB Type-C port, primary microphone, and the SIM cartridge slot. On the left, we got volume up and down keys, and because of the black color accent, they look quite nice. Same goes with the left side as well, where you will find the power button along with the new essential key, using which you can instantly take a screenshot or record audio for better productivity. Hopefully nothing will add more features and commands that you can perform using this essential key. But right now these are the stuff we got here. And talking about the back panel, this is the most unique and eye-catching part of the design of Nothing Phone 3a, as it comes with 4 transparent back panel that allows you to see a bit of the interior and the cover beneath which there are the components. So here at the bottom left corner we got the Nothing branding, some of the regulatory information. You can see some of the screws here. The same goes at the top of the back panel as well. Plenty of screws. Here we got the Glyph LED lights, 3 strips of them, where you will find 26 addressable LEDs, and in the center we got the rear camera module. It looks exactly like the Nothing Phone 2a. The only difference is that this time we got an additional lens. So instead of 2, we got 3 of them on Nothing Phone 3a. The back panel is quite flat as you can see, and the camera module pump is also quite minimal compared to what we got on Nothing Phone 3a Pro. And because of that, you won't face any wobbling issue that we were getting on Nothing Phone 3a. While tapping at the top of the device, you can see it's not wobbling at all. So that's quite nice about the Nothing Phone 3a for sure. It comes with IP64 water and dust resistance. On the front of the device, we've got the Panda glass protection, and it also comes with a thin screen protector pre-applied on it. So this is quite nice that we got dual protection on the display of Nothing Phone 3a. Compared to Nothing Phone 2a, the back panel is made of plastic instead of polycarbonate, but I'm not sure whether it is hardened or not, whether it is panda glass or not, but it is glass for sure, and that's a good inclusion. Nothing Phone 3a is 8.35 mm thick, pretty much same like the Nothing Phone 3a Pro, but it weighs 10 grams less compared to Nothing Phone 3a Pro. So it weighs 201 grams, and maybe it's because of the regular telephoto lens on the camera module instead of the periscope one we got on the huge camera module of Nothing Phone 3a Pro. According to Nothing, the frame is made of aluminum, but it feels like plastic. It comes with matte finish. If you touch it, it feels like moving your finger on vinyl or plastic. Also, there are no antenna lines, so I'm not sure if it is aluminum or not, but I will go with what Nothing says. It is aluminum if they say. So overall, in terms of design and build quality, the Nothing Phone 3 is going to be a very unique and stand out in the crowd of smartphones. We got Panda glass protection on the front, a new and useful essential key, a very eye-catching transparent back panel with Glyph LED. Talking about the display, it's the exact same screen we got on Nothing Phone 3a Pro as well. So what we got here is a 6.77 flexible AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, 10-bit 1 billion color reproduction, HDR10 plus support, 1000Hz touch sampling rate, 2160Hz PWM dimming, and 1080 cross 2392 pixels resolution. With the 88% screen to body ratio, the PPI you will get is 387. So the PPI is not as high as some of the other smartphones in this price segment, but it is good enough to enjoy all kinds of content on this device, as the colors are very well saturated. They are very punchy, the contrast is nice, the sharpness is quite good, and the same goes with the viewing angles as well. It comes with 120Hz refresh rate, and because of that, the display of Nothing Phone 3a is very smooth, as you can see here. The typical max brightness is 800 nits. Under the high brightness mode, it can go as high as 1300 nits, and the peak brightness is 3000 nits on the display of Nothing Phone 3a, and that's quite impressive for sure, because you won't face any issue while using the device in bright sunny outdoors or in any lighting condition. Talking about the hardware, it comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 processor, 12GB RAM with RAM booster feature, and 256GB storage. We got 5000 mAh battery with 50-watt charging and 7.5-watt reverse wired charging. Using the RAM booster feature, you can increase the RAM up to 8GB more, so you can virtually get 20GB RAM on Nothing Phone 3a for better multitasking or gaming. Once you start using the device, out of 256GB, 19GB storage is preoccupied by the ROM and pre-installed applications. Unfortunately, it does not come with memory card slot, and there are no higher storage variants available as well, so you will have to manage with 256GB storage only if you are planning to buy this smartphone. Talking about the software, the Nothing Phone 3a comes with Android 15 with Nothing OS 3.1 on top of it. That is a very unique custom UI that comes with this pixel and dot engine animation that looks quite unique, eye-catching, and geeky as well. The user interface is very much close to the stock Android, but you got some of the customization options as well that you can use to do various customization for better user experience. We got some of the special features like RAM booster, pop-up view, game mode, experimental features as well. But the most unique and significant part of the UI of Nothing Phone 3a is the Glyph interface, where you can do various customization to the Glyph LEDs we got. So you can see that we can use it for the notification purpose, ringtone slide. We got the option to flip to Glyph. You can use these LEDs for timer, for composer as well, where you can create your own ringtones along with the specific patterns of lighting linked to it. We got the visual feedback for volume, for Glyph progress, where you can track the progress, for example, like for your Uber ride, etc. And it also comes with music visualization feature as well. So let me give you a quick demo of the Glyph interface, how these lights work. Now talking about the camera, we got a 32 megapixel front-facing camera that is capable of recording full HD resolution videos up to 60 fps, and on the rear side we got 50 megapixel primary camera with optical image stabilization, 50 megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom, 4x in-sensor zoom, and up to 30x digital zoom. And then we got an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens as well. So once again, this is quite nice that Nothing is providing an optical zoom lens, even though it is just a 2x one, because in this price segment, it is really rare to find a smartphone with telephoto lens. Once you launch the camera application, this is the user interface you will find. So you can see we got toggle for wide angle for 0.6x, 2x and 4x zoom. It comes with flash, timer, HDR. You can adjust the exposure, apply some filters, auto tone as well. You got the option for motion photo. You can switch between the 50 megapixel and 12 megapixel mode, and you can select the aspect ratio as well. Then we got the portrait mode, that is a combination of beautification and the bokeh effect. We got a dedicated night mode that is available for wide angle camera as well. And if you go to the video, you can see that we can record 4K resolution videos up to 30 fps and 1080p resolution video up to 60 fps. So what we are missing here is that it does not come with 4K resolution video up to 60 fps, and the wide angle camera can record only 1080p resolution videos up to 30 fps. If you go to more, here you can see that it comes with slow motion time lapse panorama, where you can record full HD resolution slow motion videos up to 120 fps and 4K resolution time lapse videos. So in terms of camera features and hardware, the Nothing Phone 3 is looking pretty good, especially considering that we got a dedicated 2x optical zoom lens. But we will see in our future videos that how good the performance of the device is going to be when it comes to imaging. Right now, just wanted to give you a quick idea about the camera features and the hardware we got here. So overall, the Nothing Phone 3A is one of the best smartphone in its price segment, as it comes with a beautiful display, nice build quality, a new essential key feature, a promising looking camera setup, and the signature transparent back panel design. But this is just a first impression video. Many more videos of the Nothing Phone 3A will be uploaded very soon on this channel, like the gaming review, benchmarking test score results, comparison with some other smartphones, etc. So if you're interested in watching those, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. And if you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.